This video is made for educational and entertainment purposes. Do not repeat anything that you'll see in this video.
Crash this one more time, man. Are you kidding me, man? Are you kidding me? Am I seeing this right? No way, no way. Yeah, I wish I could jump into that swimming pool, guys, but not now, because I have to work for a while. Gotta start my day properly. By the way, guys, it's Mikey. I just asked ChatGPT about crypto-themed minigames that are relevant at the end of the 2025. Like, nothing serious at all. I never expect anything, and I stumbled upon this one, and actually the interface looks pretty good. I'm gonna start with adjusting the settings. Like I said, guys, I have no expectations whatsoever. I mean, I'm just wondering what's gonna happen, what the gameplay looks like, and I think it's gonna be a fun experience anyway. Okay, so I'm just gonna go here. By the way, this is the interface itself. I'm just gonna do something here, guys. Give me just a sec. By the way, this video is only for those aged 18 and older. If you're underage, turn this video off immediately. And I don't recommend repeating anything that you're gonna see in this video. I'm recording this for fun. It's just my random experience. In the meantime, I'm done adjusting the settings. It's no big deal. The process is a breeze. Okay, it's loading. Come on. And yeah, this is the part of the settings adjustment. I'm just gonna fix this real quick. Give me just a sec. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna go ahead and select this thing. Give me just a sec, guys. In the meantime, I wanted to remind you guys that I'm just recording this for fun. It's just my random experience, and I have no expectations, and I have no idea what's gonna happen. Basically, it's just an experiment, and like I said, no expectations whatsoever. Okay, so I'm just gonna continue here. Okay, I'm gonna close this thing, come on. Now I'm just gonna, that was fast. I didn't expect that to be that fast, actually. And now I'm just gonna continue here, and yeah, that looks great. That looks promising, actually. So now here comes the fun part. Oh, come on, why is it lagging? Why is it lagging? Oh, that's stupid. Okay, I'm gonna speed this up because I have no idea why is it lagging, but I'll just speed up the process. Oh, come on. What the hell is wrong with it? I mean, why is it lagging? I guess because now is the New Year's time and the network is kind of overloaded with people. I have no idea, guys, but I guess I'm gonna play just one time because it's just no use. I don't want to freak out or something. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna open here. Okay, I see that I should open here and probably here at the bottom. Looks great. No, I'll tell you what, that looks great, and I'll tell you what, but this gameplay feels amazing and I'm loving it. But actually, I'm gonna stop right there because basically this game is lagging today, and that's gonna be it for now. I'm just gonna do something here. Okay, give me just a sec. Here comes the most interesting part because I have no idea what's gonna happen next, but I have a feeling that maybe something cool is about to happen, but like I said, I have no expectations whatsoever, and considering that the network is kind of overloaded, I don't expect anything at all. And yeah, guys, I wanted to remind you that this video is only for those aged 18 and older, and I'm just showing my random experience. I'm not a financial advisor, basically. So give me just a moment, guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and drop this thing here, yeah. And then this. Okay, looks great. And yep, looks like it's done. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna come back here, and I'm gonna wait. Like, I don't know, maybe a few seconds and have a look at this view, guys. Yeah, but I'd like to be in a swimming pool drinking pina colada, and that would be perfect. Okay. Yeah, basically, I don't see anything. Just gonna refresh once again. Yeah, not yet. All right, so I'm gonna come back here. Nothing happens. All right, I'll tell you what, guys. I'm gonna wait for at least, I don't know, maybe 10, 15 seconds, and I'm just gonna do something else. Because I don't want to waste your time here. And... oh, wait a sec. I'm gonna come back here, and I'm just gonna refresh this one more time. And are you kidding me, man? Are you kidding me? Am I seeing this right? No way. I mean, are you kidding me? All the details are here. Oh man, I mean, I'm gonna jump into that swimming pool ASAP, man. I'm just gonna do it.